Hello students, welcome in our English Bridge course day 10. नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. इयत्ता 8वी सेतू अभ्यास यामध्ये दिवस 10वा आपण गेल्या वर्षीच्या म्हणजेच इयत्ता 7वीच्या काही लर्निंग ऍक्टिव्हिटीजचा सराव करीत आहोत. चला तर मग पहा, हे तुमच्या समोर चित्र पाहून तुम्हाला नक्कीच लहानपणीची आठवण आली आहे, हो की नाही? बरोबर ओळखलं तुम्ही. तुम्हाला एक छानशी गोष्ट सांगणार आहे. टुडेज आवर लर्निंग आउटकम्स इज म्हणजेच आजची आपली अध्ययन निष्पत्ती याशी संबंधितच आहे. डिस्क्राइब थिंग, पीपल, सिच्युएशन अँड इमोशन्स एक्सेट्रा ब्रॉडली. चला तर बघूया या गोष्टीमधून कोणकोणते इमोशन्स आपल्याला कळतायत ते. The strange house in the forest. Would you show the picture and these characters? Oh, Gangu and her brother Ganpat lived in a small house near the forest. Their father was woodcutter. They were very, very poor and did not have enough to eat. One day, Gangu, Ganpat heard their parents talking. Well, said their mother, that's the last bit of rice. There is no food for tomorrow. Then keep this rice for the children, said their father. Their mother replied, the children and I have already eaten. The next morning, Gangu and Ganpat went to look for some fruit in the forest. We will eat as much as we can and take some for our parents, they said. They dropped some round pebbles to mark the path as they went so that they could find their way back home. Deep in the forest, they found a tree full of ripe fruit. They ate some and gathered some to take home. Then they followed the path made by the pebbles and went home. How happy their parents were. After many days, they all slept with their stomachs full. The next day, Gangu and Ganpat decided to do this again. But this time, they could not find enough pebbles. So they took some pumpkin seeds that their mother had kept out to dry. They dropped the seeds as they went along. They found another fruit tree and plucked some fruit. But when it was time to go home, what do you think they saw? Some birds had eaten up all the seeds and there was nothing to show them the way home. We are lost, said Ganpat. Gangu, what shall we do now? They looked and looked for some way to get back home, but they were lost in the forest. I'm afraid and tired, said Ganpat. Let's sleep under this tree. So both children fell asleep. The next morning, they sat up in surprise. There under the trees nearby was a strange and wonderful house, a house made of sweets, How lovely! They shouted. I can see Barfi, shouted Gangu. Look, lots of biscuits, shouted Ganpat. Jalebis, laddus, and gulab jamuns too. Gangu and Ganpat were so hungry that they did not stop to think. They grabbed some sweets and began to eat. Suddenly, a horrible old woman came round the corner. Hey, 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 hey. You like sweets, do you? She cackled. Why don't you come inside and eat some more? Gangu and Ganpat were so hungry that they did not stop to think. They grabbed some sweets and began to eat. Suddenly, a horrible old woman came round the corner. Hey, 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 hey. You like sweets, do you? She cackled. Why don't you come inside and eat some more? Thank you. We would love to eat some more, said Gangu. They went into the house and clang! The horrible woman shut the door and locked Ganpat in the cage. There was nothing the children could do. The woman gave Ganpat plenty of food every day. She wanted to fatten him up, to cook him and eat him. She gave Gangu no food at all. Every time the half-blind woman tried to check if Ganpat's arm was fat enough, he showed her thin stick and fooled her. At last, the woman said to Gangu, put a large pot. I want to make a nice hot soup and cook Ganpat in it. Gangu did as she was told. But just as the horrible woman peered into the pot, Gangu pushed her into the boiling soup. And that was the end of horrible old woman. Then Gangu opened the cage for her brother. They began to look for a way out of the house. And look what they found, a wonderful treasure. The poor woodcutter was looking for his children all over the forest. At last, he found them. We shall carry this treasure home and share it with all the poor people in our village, he said. No one will ever be hungry again. मग कशी वाटली विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो गोष्ट? आवडली की नाही? And many emotions we found in this story. Fear, happiness, satisfied, and too much.